and my father got these cedar posts out in the woods. That was a heavy, hard job.
Yeah.
Got them concreted in the ground. Gonna finish putting up 10 here on the side.
So I think he's about got it finished. He's got to put the locks or whatever on the gate, I think. What else is left to do, Chase? Do you know?
Try to just make the foundation a little bit more solid by adding a little dirt to it. Put the locks on the fence. And that's about it.
This is our oldest son, Chase. Y'all haven't met him yet. He's here helping us out. He's helped his dad finish up the barn and the fence this week. Guys, Jean and I are here at our friends Missy Edwards and her daughters Faith and Annabelle, but we didn't get to meet Annabelle today, but we have met Faith, and we are here to pick up our new babies, Bow and Arrow. I'm super excited.
Yay! You ready to let them out?
Let them free.
Let's go.
Welcome to the jungle.
So this is Bow and Arrow. They're meeting their new family. It's super exciting.
Can you tell what they are?
I don't know. What are they?
Oh, yeah!
Say hi there. So this is Arrow. He's a sweet baby. And that is Bow.
Come here, buddy.
It's your new family.
Oh.
Are y'all excited?
We're super excited.
Are you nervous?
A little nervous to learn how to take care of them right.
We're grandparents.
You are grandparents, and it's not from you, buddy. We're excited for y'all to take our goats and give them a good home.
Oh.
Look.
See, Chase, you're the shepherd.
Yeah, they like you the best, Chase.
They do, Chase.
Goat man.
Say hi, buddy. Nope, you can't get in there yet.
Look, he's ready to go.
What?
He's ready to go. Look at him.
You ready to go home?
You're gonna be an Alabama boy now.
We've loved loving you. It's time you go to your new home.
Oh.
Yes.
Are y'all sad?
Nope. We're happy that they're going to a good home.
Good.
Not sad at all.
And y'all can come see them anytime you want to. Anytime.
Look at how precious. I'm so proud of them going to a good home.
Yep. They're going to have a good home. We're going to take good care of them.
I know you will. Thank you for taking them.
Thank you for giving them to us.
It means a lot.
So this is Missy and Faith, and they are letting us adopt their little goats.
This is Arrow.
Aww. And Chase has Bo,
Hi, buddy.
and Missy and Faith are letting us adopt their babies. I'm so excited.
Bo.
Do what you like. Do what you like.
Look who's here. That is Bo.
Come here, Bo.
Hey, Bo.
Come here, Bo.
And this is Arrow. Hey, Arrow. Hey. They're ready for some food this morning. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. Hey. Hey, Bo. He's coming. He's coming. We got them all set up in here. Dean built a shelf where we can store their fresh hay and food and minerals. There's their hay rack Gene and Chase put up. Here's their little feed and waters. They're going to mount those on the wall today.
Close that gate when they come in, Chase.
Hey, buddy. We got home late last night. It was about 10:30 before we got home and got them in here. But they did good. Hey, Bo. Hey, buddy. Chase, that was a fun ride home last night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Chimp is a terrible farm dog.